Hey everyone, welcome back to Doodle Homework with your girl, Doodle Kara. Today, we're going to explore through some seed adaptations and see the different ways that these seeds get dispersed. The 5 main ways seeds are dispersed in nature is through wind, expulsion, gravity, animals, and water. But let's dive in and talk about each of them individually. For wind dispersal, seeds float or flutter in the wind to be carried from one place to another. Some common examples of this include maple and ash trees with their helicopter seeds and cottonwood trees with their cottony seeds. Expulsion comes with a little bit more force, but literally. In expulsion, seeds are sent flying away from their pod. While slightly too heavy to float in the air for long, the plant makes sure its seeds are as far away as possible from the parent plant. Third one, gravity, perhaps seems like the most obvious one, where the seed literally falls off the parent plant to the ground by the ultimate force of Earth's gravity. Acorns are a prime example of falling from stem to ground. The most fun one, in my opinion, is the dispersion of seeds through animals, including humans. Seeds can stick to fur or skin or get eaten, digested, and then disposed of by the animal. In this case, common examples include stickers. You may also have heard them referred to as burrs or pokers, and the invasive mistletoe. Yes, that one that is in the holiday songs. And lastly, dispersal by means of water. Now, this one may seem like the most unlikely. However, there are a lot of aquatic plants that would disagree. Take your common water lily, for example. These are primed for dispersal of seeds through the water. Other examples include coconut trees and cattails. Not the one from your cat, though. And there you have it, the 5 ways that seeds can be dispersed based on their adaptations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more science videos, and happy sciencing. Bye!